everyone, this is Surbi from Digification. Let's set up our third record, which is the DMARC record. It's going to be the domain-based message authentication, reporting, and conformance record. So for this, what we have to do is go to your DNS setting. Again, we have to add a TXT record, add new record, choose a type TXT. Here, what you can do is just put underscore DMARC. So I'm just gonna write underscore DMARC. You just have to do it like this. And here's the string. So I've written the string here, which is content is going to be DMARC1, p none, and run to the mail to, and it's going to be your business email. So let's first create this. So here I'm just gonna create this. Instead of this, you need to put your email address. So I'm gonna write use your company email address. So I'm just gonna copy this. It's always better that you create it first and then you put it here. So I've just added this string, and then what you have to do is hit save. And that's it. We have added the DMARC record as well.